here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. TGIF, happy Friday. So we're going to kick it off today with our top three. Not top three because I love these stocks, but top three because all I'm going to analyze today are three stocks, right? So thanks for being here. Whoever's here on a Friday with me, I love you. Do me a solid. Thumbs up this video if you like it and comment in the comment section. Again, let's kick it off with ticker TWMC. It's a daily chart stock. It's up about 50% on the day, right? 50%. Closed at 528. So there's a lot to actually like about this stock. Let me list them. 1, micro cap. 2, up 50% on the day. 3, up another 10% in after hours, which means it looks like it's setting up for a good Monday. And 4, did I mention that it's a micro cap? I think I did. But it's also a low float, meaning it has the ability to gain 100, 200%, 300, 400%, believe it or not, in a short period of time. I'm not saying that that's exactly what's going to happen with TWMC, but the possibility does exist. One cautionary tale, one thing that I don't particularly like about this stock, one, it's trading relatively close to all-time lows. If you look at the trend is actually down, and like I always say, it's good to trade in the direction of the trend, and that would be up. So that's one or two things that I don't like about the stock. And I guess the third thing is that while the stock went as high as 868, it pulled back massively, in my opinion, to close today at 528, all right? So those are some of the things that I like about this stock and some of the things that I don't like. Anyway, will this run continue? You know what I'm going to say. Especially if you listen to me often, you should know what I'm going to say. Pay attention to how the stock opens up on Monday, right? If the overall market is up on Monday, chances are this is probably going to run a little bit more, right? It'll probably run with the rest of the bulls. And again, the fact that it's actually trading up in after hours actually helps. It looks like it might actually open up above the close of 528 on Monday, but that is to be seen. If however, pre-market Monday, the stock is selling down and we actually open up below 528, then I would say look out. Chances are you're going to drift lower, all right? So that's my take on ticker TWMC. What else? All right, and then we have ticker CLDX daily chart. Again, huge congrats to the bull. Stock is up about 35% on the day. We closed at 307, up marginally in after hours, an additional 1%. I see a quote of around 311. So again, it seems like another good setup heading into Monday. If this run is going to continue, obviously we want the stock to open up above 307. And the fact that it closed relatively close to today's high of 333 is also a good indicator. Anyway, so CLDX has actually been range bound since June of 2019. So that's going on a year, right? Support has held for that year. Well, not quite a year, close to a year. We can call that support level around $2. So exactly, well, not exactly, as long as it can hold above 2, I would say that the stock is in relatively bullish territory. And you can see today we kind of plowed through that resistance level. Let's put it down here. We can say resistance comes in at around 287 to, let's give it a range, 287 to around $3. So closing at 307, we close slightly above resistance. Perhaps that is the new support, and that's actually good. What does this look like? Come in the comment section. You should know what this looks like if you pay attention to me. Anyway, again, heading into Monday, for this bull run to continue in ticker CLDX, you wanted to definitely open up above 307 like it's doing right now, and after hours is actually trading up, and you actually wanted to, at least at minimum, retest today's high of 333. If it can do that, this stock, not quite a low float as ticker TWMC, but it perhaps can put up another 20 or 30%, right? So that's my take on ticker CLDX. What else? All right, and so we're going to cap it here. We are going to cap it here with ticker VAL. Like I said, top 3, we're just going to do 3 today. It's a Friday, and guess what? It's just a Friday, right? It's just a Friday, so we're going to cap it at ticker VAL. Anyway, daily chart stock is off about 26% on the day. So unlike folks that were long ticker TWMC or folks that were long ticker CLDX, the folks that were long ticker VAL are not feeling so good. Trust me, I've been there. 26%. Look, I laugh at that. Not that I laugh at that. I'm not laughing at you. What I'm saying is I laugh at that because I have woken up and I've seen my stocks down 70, 80%. So 20%, granted, I don't want to take that any day, but in the past, when I've had stocks gap down 70-80% because they've lost all their value, I would have taken 20% any day. Anyway, I don't know what the point of that story was, but I said it anyway. So closed at 420, right, down about 26%. I think we're essentially flat in after hours, down 26% on the day, closed at 420. Today's low clocked it at 414, so we closed relatively low to sessional lows. That's not good heading into trading on Monday. Obviously, you want to pay attention. Like I always say, you want to pay attention to how the stock opens up. If we open up below 420, that's not good. Chances are we're going to take out 414, which is sessional lows, and just pay attention. Pay attention to support of around, let's call that level around 350, right? This here, that support level that has held since around April of 2019, 350. More than likely, if the stock drifts lower, you should get a bounce around that area. But I can't imagine it getting there anytime soon. Probably in the high threes. I don't see it getting to 350. But if it ever does get there, that might be your opportune time to buy. Why? Let me show you. Because you got the bounce here. 1. You got the bounce here. 2, you got the bounce here. 3, you got the bounce here. 4, you got the, I think you get it, right? What's the count? 5. What's the count? Where are we at now? We got the bounce here at 6. What's the count? You can see on board, we got it here at 7. And if it happens again, I'd bet that perhaps we'll get it at 8. Let me take that out because that is a maybe. All right? Makes sense? Hope it does, and we're going to cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of that video, even my counting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even if you enjoyed that, do 3 things for me. 1, like the video and comment in the comment section. Let me know. What did you think of my analysis? That's the first thing. 2. Second thing, I do videos every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not on the weekends because the market is not open on the weekends. But when the market is open, you can expect me to upload a video. If you don't want to miss it, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. Go ahead, pause this video, subscribe right now. That's the second thing. And lastly, I'm not going to actually do anything else. Last thing. I've been trading for a long time. Almost 20 years. 2 decades. That's a long time. Anyway, right now what I'm doing on our website is we're hosting a free, that's Free, free.com. That's not the site, but it's free. We're hosting a free 14-day trading course where I tell you and I teach you a lot of the things that I've learned trading the stock market for the last 20 or so years. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely head on over to our website. You don't have to bring your credit card. Just bring an email address so I can know where I can send it to, right? Head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. Enjoy your weekend. TGIF. Be safe. I'll see you back here on Monday.